Bhakti Thakur Prabhupada used to say, if all the scriptures are burned to ashes, only Srimad Bhagavatam is left, nothing is lost. सारे सारे शास्त्र को जला के राख कर दी जाए, सिर्फ एक शास्त्र बच जाए, श्रीमद् भागवतम, तो कुछ नहीं खोया, सब कुछ हमारे पास। हरि बोल, हरि बोल। जब श्री प्रभुपाद जी अमृतसर गए थे तो अमृतसर में वहां पर गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब है वहां पर, और उनके बगल में आपने देखा होगा चांवर कर रहे होते हैं, सतनाम वाहे गुरु, सतनाम वाहे गुरु, वाहे गुरु, वाहे गुरु। तो प्रभुपाद जी ने देखा कि किस तरह से यहाँ पर श्रीमद् भागवतम किस तरह से गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब को यहाँ वर्शिप किया जा रहा है। श्री प्रभुपाद ने कहा, द वे दे आर वर्शिपिंग गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब, वी शुड वर्शिप श्रीमद् भागवतम लाइक दैट। हमें उस प्रकार से श्रीमद् भागवतम की पूजा अर्चना करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज श्रीमद् भागवतम इज कृष्णा हैट्रिक। व्हाट इज हैट्रिक? सब जानते हैं व्हाट इज हैट्रिक? 3 हैट्रिक इज 3 कॉन्सिक्यूटिव विकेट्स, तो उसे बोलते हैं हैट्रिक। सो श्रीमद् भागवतम इज कृष्णा हैट्रिक। हाउ? Because it is given by Srila Vedivyas ji, who is Krishna's incarnation. It is about Krishna, that is also is not different from Krishna. Also, Srimad Bhagavatam is personification, Krishna's Granthavatar. So there are 12 cantos. First 2 cantos are Krishna's lotus feet. Third, 4th canto Krishna's thighs. 5th canto Krishna's belly. 6th canto Krishna's chest, which is a palace of love for devotees. 7th and 8th canto Krishna's arms. 9th canto Krishna's neck. 10th canto Krishna's beautiful face, and Ras Panchadhyaya is a beautiful charming smile on Krishna's face. And 11th canto Krishna's forehead, or the 12th skandha hai, 12th canto, that is the pagdi on Krishna's head, which is Vrindavan flowers. So that is Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam is Krishna. So who has seen Krishna? Who has touched Krishna? Who has read Krishna? Hari Bol. That is Srimad Bhagavatam. And Srimati Radharani, she glorifies Hari Katha, which is there in Srimad Bhagavatam. She glorifies in a very different way. Srimati Radharani says that actually all these Hari Katha Vachakas, all those who do Hari Katha from Srimad Bhagavatam, who are they? They are butchers. कसाई हैं ये लोग। Oh my God, butchers हैं? Butcher क्या करता है? अपने बगल में ना चक्कू रखता है वो, और जैसे शिकार दिखता है, खचाक शिकार। उसी तरह से in the same way the devotees of Lord Hari, they have Srimad Bhagavatam, and as soon as they see, श्रद्धालु है, and that way is Hari Katha, Srimad Bhagavatam Katha, that person's materialistic life is finished. Hari Bol. So Krishna's devotees are the butchers. So she says that all these devotees of Hari, they are carrying Srimad Bhagavatam, Hari Katha, and they are also having the net. They are having the net of Hari Katha. So first they spread the net, and then they slice the person's materialistic life. Finished. That is Srimad Bhagavatam. Sri Rupa Goswami says that, oh, you have read Srimad Bhagavatam. So sad. Now what will happen to your wonderful activities of Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha? Now Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha is mostly on mundane platforms. ज़्यादातर संसारिक धरातल पर ही होता है तो Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha. All the duties Dharma is why, so that I can earn Artha, so that I can fulfill my desires, Kam, and when I am frustrated, Moksha. Oh, to hell with all of this. So as soon as somebody reads Srimad Bhagavatam, so then comes Pancham Purusharth, that is Krishna Prem. Srimad Bhagavatam Puranam Amalam. So that is Srimad Bhagavatam. So we must all read Srimad Bhagavatam. And especially Srila Prabhupada said, if somebody reads my Srimad Bhagavatam, which is purported by Srila Prabhupada's divine ecstasies in the form of his purports, Srila Prabhupada said, if somebody reads my Srimad Bhagavatam, he will be forced to become a pure devotee. That is the power of Srimad Bhagavatam. So we should always read, reflect, reform and rejoice by reading Srimad Bhagavatam ki Jai. Srimad Bhagavatam has the power. In fact, another name of Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, is that it is Paramahamsa Samhita. Paramahamsa Samhita means it can make somebody Paramahamsa. Somebody is a crow, can become Paramahamsa by reading Srimad Bhagavatam. And those who have become Paramahamsas, they relish Srimad Bhagavatam. तो भागवतम का आस्वादन करते परमहंस, और कोई कौवे जैसा है तो उसको परमहंस बनाने की शक्ति रखता है श्रीमद् भागवतम. सो इसीलिए हम सबको नियमित रूप से श्रीमद् भागवतम पढ़ना चाहिए। आपसे कौन कौन श्रीमद् भागवतम पढ़ता है नियमित रूप से?
किसके घर पे है?
किसके घर पर है
नहीं।
अच्छा, किसी के घर पे नहीं है? Because here we have Maharaj is a personification of book distribution.
किसके घर पे है?
अच्छा, किसके घर पे नहीं है?
ले जाना
Yes, Maharaj is the authority. Okay, who has Srimad Bhagavatam but does not read Srimad Bhagavatam? Okay, Srila Prabhupada used to say that if the followers of the Krishna consciousness movement will not read my books, they would simply eat, sleep and fall down. आप से कौन जाता है eat, sleep and fall down? Nobody. Then that means we should regularly read Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam ki, Naimisharanya Dham ki jai.